Hello guys, uh, this is Tech.Tunchi. I'm gonna be taking you guys into a 30 minutes, probably 20 minutes tutorials on how to lay your hands on Revit. So now, when you open your Revit, just go click new document, create a multiple discipline. So let's wait for it while it's load. So it's loading. Now, to some other people, they'll say you should save the project first, and after you save the project, you continue doing, which is actually good. So let's save the project. Let's give it a name. Save. You create a new folder. You give it Revit. Now just call this on project 1. Then I love to go to info tab. Under my info tab, I come to this place here and I change the value to 1. So I just want 1 of the duplicate, so I just save. So while it's saving, so let's just wait for it while it's saves. So now in good general terms, we have our project working space. So don't mind about this background, it's just canvas. You'll be able to change it from here if you just come to canvas. I'll be starting to switch into the white paper if I want to. Yeah, let me just do it having white paper and so forth. But I love to use the dark themes. Now we have our elevations. We can come to here and check for elevations, close all of this coordinates, electric, you don't need them for now. Structure, plumbing, electrical, section. Yeah, you need a floor plan, so you need to leave it. So you come to elevation, open elevation, and you go to south elevation. So there are some things that we don't need here. Okay, the height of this to this is actually right. So we are only going to be focusing on the height of the building. So what I will want to do more is I'll click on this and press LL, that's for level. And what I will do is I'll pick line and I'll do an offset of 12 feet. So I'll do an 12 foot. I'll enter. Then 1. I want to add more to story. 2 and 3. So I have it. So now let's rename it. Now let's call this one 1 dot ground level. This is ground level. Now 2 dot. The reason why I'm adding this numeric before the now it's gonna be the first level. Now if you notice something is off, is that whatever I add here, it doesn't add up to my plan, but rather I think to my structure, right? So we are going to be deleting all of this. So let me click. Let me delete them. So let's just delete them and press LL. Pick line and so you pick the plan view. I think you go to architecture plan. So you click architecture plan. Yes, offset 12 foot. Enter and pick. So you can see we have it here. If I change the plan type, it will be adding over there. So I want that. So I click this guy, click again. Now Ctrl Z to undo. Pick line. Yes. 12 feet, you pick and you add the last one. So this is okay. I will right click, copy this and still rename it here. Let me just delete the 11. Okay, that's wrongly deleted. So let me go and let me delete it. Now let me just delete it. LL, you pick line, you pick offset 12, enter 12 foot, pick plan, no structure, pick architecture and structure together. Okay, it depends. So I can click OK and I'll just go minus below. Yes, so this is gonna be my 1 plus GL. So 1 plus GL, do not show this message again and click yes. And this one is gonna be 1 FL You entered. Now you come to this place here, you click 3.SL and you come to this place, you have 4.F.4L. So I'll just do it third. So then the last one is gonna be rooftop RTP. So layers number 5 point RTP. So you can see whatever I renamed here, it's really effective. So let me change the scale to 1:1. Okay, it's too small. Let's bring it to, yeah, this scale is okay for me. So now so yeah, this one is big bold. This one is okay for me. So now we have our levels already displayed here. So what we're gonna be doing right now is going to our site plan. You go to your site plan. Architecture, elevation, and you go to your ground level. Yes, your ground level, and something is really off. So once you come to this place here, you click, you come back, you go to your ground level, and you go to max and site. You do property lines, create by sketching. Now click this place, rectangle, and then let's just say you want to just do it rectangle. You just want to, randomly. So let's just say this is the plot of your land. You click this and you check this. Yeah. So what I'm actually doing right now is I'm just trying to make a property line concerning the view. It doesn't affect, if I go to 3D view, it doesn't affect anything there. So you can see just a normal properties line, nothing much. So we can go back to our ground level, and let's see same inside this property line. I have to pick it again by sketching rectangle. Let's say I want to offset the size away from the road side. Yeah, can actually do this. Let's say this is for the road side, and I'll check it. Okay, I just want to like define my land where my main building is gonna be, and then this is gonna be the walkway, and this one is gonna be let's go to the sample property lines again. My sketch. Now this time I'm gonna be choosing the line, and I'm gonna be offsetting by 12 feet. I'm gonna be offsetting by, also I'll drag the line design. Okay, this is wrongly done. From here, take it inside place. So I'll do it for each side. Now this side. So same thing here. Okay, wrongly done. Yeah, down to the side. So I pick my rectangle and draw it here. It's in very well. Now I just delete this. Delete this. I don't need them anymore. Perfect. Just check it. So this is gonna be my. It's gonna be yeah, a little back sideway containing some retaining wall. It's gonna be my main building and all of the rest. So let me offset my property lines where parking lots we're gonna be and other things, stuff like that. The same property lines, I'm gonna be picking the same property lines by sketch, and from here I'm gonna be picking from here to let's say 45 50. Yes. Okay, let's do 50. Yeah, let's do 50. Now let's do 50. I click here and check it. I do 50 here. Yeah, let's do 50. I want it to be in a very whole number. So this is 50. And this is gonna be where my whatever is gonna be. And okay. So okay, now let's go to our floor tools, architectural, pick a floor. So first for the inner ones here, we're gonna be picking architecture. I'm gonna be using the default floor. Let me use okay, let me use a concrete 4 is small. Let me use, okay, it's concrete 6 inches. So I pick a rectangle and I sketch it from here down to here. I check it. So now let me make it a bit fine, and yeah, so we have our floor here. Now the same way I'm gonna be drawing a structural wall all over it here, down here. It's gonna be like a different element. So let's just say detail line DL, pick from here to fill up this place so that we can be able to, you know, draw out from this point to that point. So at the same point I'm gonna be picking, this is gonna be like our structural fall towards the building upward. Now from the front of the side is gonna be my structural, because this is where our buildings are. This is gonna be our like more like our retaining, more like a load, more of a load bearing wall. So we're gonna be clicking here and structural wall. So rectangle again. Now this place the same foot again, but this is architecture. I'm gonna be drawing from here to this place because I want to just segment them different. Yes, I want to segment them different so that I can be able to have control over them. The same again, go back, architectural, floor, structural. You click rectangle from here to this place. So once you snap, you know that you are in a very precise spot. You check it. Now the same way, this place here, DL, detail line. Click from here, you go outside, just a guideline, DL again, checked here, outside, and DL again, you checked here, outside. Okay, I may be wrong here. DL, DL, you checked outside. So now it's gonna be the same structural floor again. Now from this rectangle here, from inside of here down to this plot here, just check it the same way from inside of here down to this side here. Check it. This one structure, rectangle, from here down to this place here. So okay, it's saying the wall overlap. Just ignore it. Just ignore it. Don't mind it. So now if I go to my 3D view, you can see I have a very good layers, all these, very fine layers. So you know what, let's just do joint. Yeah, you come to here, look for join geometric, this one and this one, just join them, and yeah, just let it just look very nice. Just join them, and it's gonna be like one, main entity. So you close it, you go back. Now I'm gonna be applying this same method to all the floors ahead. So now I'm gonna be drawing these walls ahead. So I'll go to first floor. Yes, now under my first floor I'm gonna be using architectural floor. I'm gonna be picking rectangle, the same 66 inches floor from here to this place. So it's gonna be okay, hold on, pull it to this place. Yeah, so from there to this place, it's gonna be my first floor. Then from up again, go to second floor. The second floor is still going to be from where's floor, architecture, rectangle here to this place here. Okay, let me make it here to this place. Now on my fourth, I'm gonna pick the same architecture floor from rectangle from here. I'm more or less not concerned with the material yet, because I will have time for those now. For my rooftop, the same way I'm gonna be doing architecture. Now from here down to this place, you close it. Now see, the reason why I use this method is because it's the most best and smartest and most reliable method ever to use. So you can actually see, let me move this, you can actually see my layers of walls, my layers of floors. You can see this is my site. This is my site. Yes, this is my site containing the ground, first floor, second floor, third floor, and the roof level. So what we're gonna be doing, I'm gonna be putting walls around the whole of this. So I come to the ground level. So Now I come down to my ground level. I go down to architecture. I go to wall. I'll just pick a normal wall, basic 8 inches. Let's go to concrete. Let's look for a concrete wall. So concrete 18 inches. Concrete 18 inches. That's about double of 300, 600. Now I'm gonna be use my rectangle tools. Center line. I'm gonna be doing a center line column. So I pick it. Just hover it till I reach this point here. So till I reach this point here, then I'll just leave it. Yes. Now if I should exit and come over to this wall, that's with my rectangle, I will not be able to maybe have the wall. Now I just click on the wall, maybe hover on and press tab. Now I can be able to select the whole wall. Now I'm gonna be, from where it say unconnected, I'll take it from ground level to first level and apply. Now this wall is already applied. It is only applied to my first level. So if I go to 3D view, you can see it's only apply to my first level. Now the same way I want to withdraw this one to my second level, then followed by the rest of it. So let's go back to my first level and the same wall, pick the same wall, WA for wall. Already the software knows your settings from this place again. Okay, you pick rectangle from this place down to this place, you just click it. Now you come to this wall, press tab and click, and where it said unconnected, look for level 1, level 3, my second level. You apply. So now if I go to my 3D view, you can see it is applied to this. Now we have to connect this one as well. So you come to your third level. Now if you notice, your third level is not from this spot, so okay, the same third level from that same spot again. So okay, let me just double click this and let me align. Let me use align this one to this, and let me just check it and checked, so that you can just like, you know, be like one entity and it looks very fine. So now let me just go to my third level, the same block wall, what's the WA, then the same block wall, center lined here, okay, rectangle here to this place. Yes, you exit, hold one of the wall, press tab and click unconnected to the fourth level. You apply. Yes. Now from the fourth level to the fifth level now. So you go to the fourth level. Now the same thing from the fourth level. This is the fourth level now. You have already your WA. Yes, rectangle. Don't forget to use rectangle. And click from here to here. So you click, tap, you select unconnected to the rooftop, you apply. So 3D view, and we now have a ready to be designed house. we can now see. So, but I I will change this one here. So I will go back to my third level. Yes, I will definitely adjust the wall. I will delete this, then uh, come back to my wall tools again. I can, if you don't want to do wall tools again, you click on this wall, you press CS. When you click on CS, so you should note some of this. You can either click here, or let's say you come to this place and select rectangle and redo it again. But if you don't want to redo it, you can just follow what I am doing. So I just click from this line and drop it to this place, then I exit. You come to your modify, you go to modify here, just modify, click on it, then you look for this tool called, now this tool called trim and extend. Yes, you click on it and you trim this one to this place, then you trim this one to this place. Now notice something. So you again tap, you select everything, you connect it to the fourth level and apply. So it looks very okay, and you check it in your design and it's okay. So this is the first model of our house, and you can see it, and I'll get back to you with the part 2 of it. Well, I will show you. This is as good as 32 minutes for me doing this. I will show you when I will put windows and doors, so stay tuned. And this is very, very fast. It's actually the best method to use when you are on a deadline, but in general there are times where you can do this direct, like times where this is just like modeling. You're gonna be modeling for a client, but in general we ain't gonna be doing this in general terms. That way you do it with structure, you do it structural at the same time you're doing it. So stay put, guys. Love you guys. Boy Tunchi, and see you guys some other time.